Scorpion after Ouvrière and Porcelaine is a painting of my oldest brother. He's painted wearing a 1990s shirt, belt, and jeans. Implied are his boots. He's placed in a setting that's a domestic space that references our grandmother's home back in Mexico, combined with the interiors inspired by Rococo domestic spaces from Chateau de Versailles. The floor is checkered, white and black, to reference the interior of Versailles and also American games such as the Polly Pocket. The portrait is flanked by a seashell as a reference to Rococo and also as a direct reference to Martin Engelbrecht's Ouvrière and Porcelaine that the work is directly inspired by. Martin Engelbrecht's lithographs depict class laborers as their specific class. These new portraits are inspired by Martin Engelbrecht's lithograph of the porcelain woman. She becomes a vessel herself, covered in porcelain. For my portraits, I reimagine these lithographs through a radical approach. My siblings become themselves, and their labor is an after effect. They become these new monuments to Latinx identity, placed inside these domestic spaces as a commentary on the often depiction of Latinx bodies as their labor. These reassess that narrative and imagine a new narrative.